First, in a pot, boil whole milk. Then gather green cardamom, almonds, cashews, and pistachio and make a thick powder. While the powder is making, make sure to frequently stir the milk. Then add your thick powder inside the milk. After adding the powder, make sure to stir from top to bottom so it doesn't burn. Then in the milk, add koya mawa. To prevent the milk from burning, keep stirring. Now add a can of condensed milk. Then add saffron, and sugar. Stir everything off and let it boil for an hour till the milk has become thick. After the milk has thickened, turn it off to cool. Then pour it into separate containers. Cover your container and put in the freezer for a few hours. Now remove the kulfi from the freezer.